Hello children. Yes, in my previous video you have learned about parasites. But today we will study about insectivorous plant. You are seeing the heading insectivorous plant means the plants that are depend for their food on other insects like ant, like butterfly, like bees, this type of. Understand? So today I will tell you the insectivorous mode of nutrition means in how they means insectivorous plant they get the nutrients from the food observed in plant like pitcher plant. Pitcher, it is called pitcher plant because its leaf converted into pitcher. Pitcher, you know, ghada, which we use in summertime to cool water naturally, and the Venus flytrap. The second point, these types of plant purely noted it, purely means totally depend on other insects, दूसरे कीड़े मकोड़ों पर, and small animals, sometimes crow, frog also, for their nutrition. Pitcher plant trap small insects inside the pitcher. I will show you the fully pictures in my next slides of this video. Are digested by the digestive juice. They are not eaten it. They are not eat. They just digest and mix in their liquid. Insectivorous plant grow in those soils which do not contain sufficient nitrogen minerals. And nitrogen is main because if the nitrogen is less, then protein is very less in that soil, so the plants will not get the protein in proper amount. Understand? So they are busy to find their food in other insects or animals. These type of plants are green and carry out of photosynthesis to obtain a part of food. Means they make food with the help of photosynthesis, but the food is not sufficient for them. That's why they make their extra food from the plants. Sorry, in the insects and the little small animals. More notes means extra. There are three kinds of plants I'm showing you. First of all, first of all, Venus flytrap have stiff hair-like projection on their edges. They are just like our eyes. Our eyes have the eyelids upside and downside, just the leaves of Venus flytrap. And when anyone sit on between of these leaves, the leaves will close and that insect trap between of them, it is written middle acting as a hinge. When an insect sits on the leaves, it shuts means it's closed tightly, means the insect is not able to get out, trapping the insect inside. Next one is picture plant. Picture plant because it looks like pot, घड़े जैसा लगता है ये, has a pitcher shaped structure, and under downside of there we in the pitcher we fill the water, but in place of water there is a gum like structure that we called digestive juice is filled inside it. It has a flap like structure on its mouth, means just we put the lid on the pitcher, जैसे हम ढक्कन रखते हैं ना, just like a structure is connected with the pitcher, and the pitcher is very slippery. Once any insect goes in, the suddenly the lid will close the open space. The insects that sit on its slip by the slippery area and falls into the pitcher, and there a gum like structure is filled so that that animal is just stick with that glue, and after that closing the lid, and after some time the liquid digest the whole insect and take their nutrients and complete their nutrition. Next is sundew. Sundew plant has long needle like structure, just like tentacles. Understand? In the sundew, that is called tentacle. Tentacles means thread like structure, धागे जैसी, covered with sticky substance, and on them this area na, this area has a glue like structure, gum like structure, like Fevicol. And when anyone sit on, any insect sit on them, then the insect will stick to it and never get separate from that sticky material. That is called mucus, the glue-like structure. Once an insect sits on it, it gets caught in the mucus and tentacles fold inwards. And inwards means these is start turning just like when anyone, and the insect is trapped here inside. Understand? So you are seeing here, this is the picture of pitcher plant. Look there, looking, this is pitcher like structure, and this is slippery stage, and this is the insect. Understand? This is the insect and this is lid. When this animal goes inside it, and the lid is just close. Look at the same, this is also, this is insect, this is pitcher like structure, and this is lid. It will go downside and the lid will cover it. The second one, this is Venus flytrap. Look at the bee, an insect is coming to sit on it, and look, this is our eye like structure, the one lid and the second lid. Now it's set, you are seeing now, this is our just like our eyes, both side eyelashes. Understand? Both side eyelashes, this one and this one, and the insect is set between on them. And then slowly these are start closing. Look at here, now these are so slowly starting close, and the insect is start trapping. And lastly, they are fully closed. Look at here, they are fully closed and the insect is trapped inside it, and after some time it will start releasing juices, digestive juice, and this insect is totally digested by these leaves. And this process start going on in a suppose that this will close, but these are open, these are open. Once it is closed, then they are open, they are open, they are open. Understand? So this process is going on continuously. This is sundew plant. Look at this, is I told you now that about the tentacles, just like structure. I told you just such type of structure. So look at here, this is tentacles, and these are mucus on them. This is mucus, and when any insect sit on them, they stick to it. इससे चिपक जाते हैं वो. Look at here, this is insect and this is stick to it. इससे चिपक गया ये. Understand? So now slowly it will turn and trap this insect and digest it. Understand? So there is no homework for, but I will send you a PDF of homework. So watch this video 2-3 times and try to understand the concept of insectivorous plant. I explained you in details method. So don't. It's enough for today. In my next lecture, I will tell you about the saprophytic nutrition, which is another type of heterotrophic nutrition. Bye bye.